In today's video, I'm gonna test the B-FLEX Fatty. If you want to see how it turned out, stick around. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie. And in today's video, like I said, I'm gonna test the B-FLEX Fatty. I like the way that sounds, the B-FLEX Fatty. The B-FLEX Fatty. So I'm gonna test it today because, you know, I am a fan of I wouldn't say all the B-FLEX product. I'm a fan of the Gimme5. I love the Gimme5. Low temperature, low time. What more do you want? So I'm assume the Fatty is gonna be fatty. So I'm gonna test the Fatty vinyl today because I saw it and it looked puffed up, you know. So that's what I'm so interested in. I want to see it. I want to see the puffiness of it. I want to see, you know, I just want to see how fat it is. Anyway, before we jump into the video, guess what? I want to tell you guys, I hit 1,000 subscribers. I should have do a dance, right? Let's see. Let's do a dance, right? No, I'm not gonna do a dance, but I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank all of you for subscribing to my channel. Your boy really appreciate it. But remember, my goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers. Why? Because that's my goal. That's what I want. I set the bar high. I don't want to set a low bar, high bar. So I appreciate it. Thank you guys. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. And I want you guys to do me a favor. Watch the entire video, and after, smash that like button for me and share this video. Drop me a comment, check down below. Your boy have a lot of stuff that he use, and your boy love you. Now let's roll into the video. Okay, B-FLEX, so I'm gonna try the Fatty on my brand new gym pans. It's brand new. I haven't tested yet on anything else, but I'm gonna trust the Fatty since it's from B-FLEX. I'm gonna trust it. I'm just gonna go ahead. Look at it, see? The tag is still on it. Brand new. But I'm just gonna go ahead and try it because what? I trust B-FLEX that it's gonna come out correctly. I know it sounds silly that I should test it first, but that's what I do, is test stuff and to prove to my loyal viewers I'm not messing around. So I'm gonna use a brand new gym pan. See, hasn't been worn yet. Tag is still on it. So let's go test this bad boy with the Fatty. Okay, so it's 15-second on, you know, 15-second press, take it off, 15 seconds more. So we're gonna see how fat this bad boy is. Let's do it. It's a hot peel, so let's. 15 seconds again. Well, let's see if it turned into a Fatty. It was an easy peel. It was very simple to put on. It looks good, but let's give it a while before it starts puffing up. Because right now it just feels like a regular HTV. So I'll tell you guys why. I'm gonna let it cool down, wait a little and see if it puffed up. So give me a few minutes, I'll be right back. I don't know, man. I waited like 5 minutes to see the miracle of the fatty. Fatty looks skinny to me. It just feels like a regular HTV. I mean, this might be, I don't even know if there is a little tiny puff. It just feels regular to me. B-FLEX, what's going on? Where's my fatty? I mean, it looks good. It feels soft, that I could tell you. That's the only thing. But my fatty is skinny. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed because I'm not feeling anything. It looks like a regular HTV vinyl. Nothing special. I mean, it looks good on my pants, of course. Can you guys see it? Ooh! For only $29.99, it could be yours. No, but on the real, there's nothing. Look, guys, unless they send me the wrong, unless I receive the wrong kind of vinyl, because like I said, my fatty is skinny. I'm disappointed. I was expecting it to puffed up, looking all fly looking, but it's skinny. And like I said, maybe they sent me the wrong vinyl. I don't know. No, no, no. I'm a little disappointed with the fatty, okay? Because I'm expected a fat butt and I got a skinny butt. This is not what I was expecting. The color is beautiful. It feels good, but I can't really feel any puffiness. I mean, I feel something there, but how is people, look at it. I said it this way. How is anyone going to notice that this is puffed up? I mean, it looks really good. Whoops. It looks really good. This is a brand new gym workout pants. I put it on. It looks really good. I love the way it looks, but it looks like regular vinyl. I can't tell the difference. I mean, I don't know if I'm doing something. So B-FLEX, if you watch this and I am doing something wrong, let your boy know so I could redo it and get the puff up, because I can't see it. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm not seeing any puff. I mean, I do feel like something on the shirt, something, but it's not puffy. I'm a little bit disappointed with that, because, you know, it's like you see a person online, a girl online, and you say, yo, yeah, she got a fat butt. And when you meet her, she's pretty and all that, like this is pretty, but her butt is skinny. That's like a very disappointment. So it's the same thing, B-FLEX. Sorry, all the females out there. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but I'm just trying to give a good example. And that's a perfect example. This is not what I was expecting. Look at, like I said, it looks good, but maybe if it's on like a bigger graphic or something, it will puff up, because I'm not feeling anything right now. Nothing. I'm disappointed, but at the same time, I love the way the color look. And it peels good, you know. I used the Cameo to cut it. I didn't change any setting on. I used my regular setting to cut it. I didn't change anything, and it peels beautifully. You know, it was easy to peel, you know, easy to press, 15-second on, take the liner off, 15-second back down, medium pressure, hot peel. You know what I'm saying? It was easy. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I want my subscribers to see the truth. That I'm not gonna hide anything from you guys. I'm not getting paid for these guys, so I'm not gonna make things sound good if it's not, because I'm not seeing the result that I'm expecting on here. It said fatty. I want a fat butt to stick out of this thing. It wasn't. It's skinny. Nothing. I mean, you could feel something, but the color is good, but I'm not gonna really impress anyone calling this a fatty, because it's not puffed up. Nothing is fat about it. The vinyl was a little thick. I don't know if that's what it means, but I didn't see anything. But B-FLEX is a good company. The Gimme5 is excellent. So if you guys is interested in a vinyl, do check out the Gimme5. The Gimme5 from B-FLEX. It is really good. But I'm not saying this is not good. It's just not, the quality may be good, right? But it's not giving me the result that I want. So anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Like I said, if you're new here, and I thank you again for the 1,000 sub. Whoever hit that subscribe button to turn it into 1,000, I love you. I love you. So if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and now that the video is over, smash that like button for me. Drop me a comment, share the video, check out down below, visit my website www.comfortstyles.com, and I'll catch you on or in around my next video. I'm out.